In a world where your money is never truly yours, billions wake up trapped in a system designed for control. Every day, people face the harsh reality of traditional banking: high fees, endless restrictions, and a total loss of privacy. It is a system built on limitations, where your financial life is constantly monitored and managed by centralized institutions. But a quiet revolution is gaining momentum, offering a path away from these outdated and extractive financial structures. Today we explore how decentralized crypto, powered by platforms like NewEarthX, is giving individuals true financial sovereignty. Traditional banks often promise safety and convenience, yet they deliver a model based on control and wealth extraction. Every month, maintenance fees, transaction charges, and ATM costs quietly drain the hard-earned money from your account. In many global markets, these hidden costs can accumulate, taking a significant percentage of your wealth annually. Meanwhile, inflation silently erodes your purchasing power, while banks continue to earn interest on your deposited funds. The fundamental problem is that your money is never truly yours when it sits inside a centralized bank account. Banks possess the power to freeze your accounts, impose withdrawal limits, or comply with government demands without your consent. History is filled with examples of bank bail-ins and frozen assets, proving that these institutions prioritize their own survival. Centralized systems hold all your private financial data, leaving you exposed to the constant threat of hacks and identity theft. When banks fail, as we have seen repeatedly, it is the everyday person who suffers the most significant losses. This system concentrates power in the hands of a few, limiting opportunity for everyone else, especially in emerging markets. Access to fair finance remains difficult for many, creating a cycle of dependency that is hard to break. But then cryptocurrency emerged, born from the radical desire for a better, more transparent financial system. Bitcoin and blockchain technology introduced the world to the concept of money without the need for middlemen. This shift represents true ownership, where value can be transferred across borders without asking for permission. It offers transparency without the need for blind trust, creating a foundation for a more equitable global economy. Crypto puts you back in the driver's seat, ensuring that you are the only one in control of your wealth. With non-custodial wallets, you hold your own private keys, meaning no bank can seize or monitor your assets. Your financial privacy is finally restored, allowing you to manage your resources without external interference or surveillance. Transactions become fast, low-cost, and global, moving value across the world in minutes rather than days. You can now bypass the high fees of traditional institutions, keeping more of your money where it belongs. Hardware wallets like the Ghost Wallet take this security to the next level by keeping your keys offline. By utilizing cold storage, your digital assets remain completely protected from the dangers of online threats and hackers. This is the essence of financial sovereignty: the ability to hold, transfer, and spend your value safely anywhere. For emerging economies, this technology means reclaiming wealth from extractive systems that have held them back for years. It enables citizen dividends and real asset tokenization, opening doors to new forms of sovereign infrastructure funding. NewEarthX brings all these powerful concepts together into one comprehensive, sovereign fintech platform. It is built specifically for the needs of the new economy, prioritizing user autonomy and long-term financial health. At the core of this ecosystem is the NewEarth Ghost Wallet, a bank-grade, air-gapped hardware device. This device features 7-layer security, ensuring that your digital assets are shielded by the highest standards of protection. Being fully offline and non-custodial, it guarantees that you remain the sole owner of your private keys. The wallet utilizes AES 256 encryption, a standard used by governments to secure their most sensitive information. Biometric fingerprint protection adds an extra layer of physical security, ensuring only you can access your funds. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the native NXE token. With an included virtual Visa card, the Ghost Wallet bridges the gap between self-custody and daily real-world utility. You can now hold your assets privately and spend them anywhere, enjoying the freedom of a truly global currency. The platform also offers the NXE token, a governed real-world asset-backed instrument for modern investors. It provides structured vehicles for real estate and other tangible assets, bringing stability to the crypto space. Transparent on-chain governance ensures that the community has a voice in how the platform evolves over time. Payments on our Visa rails allow for efficient, low-cost transactions that work seamlessly within the ecosystem. NewEarthX is not just another exchange. It is essential infrastructure for stewardship and long-term wealth building. It provides the tools necessary to build a new Earth economy that is both prosperous and decentralized. Imagine a world where your wealth works for you rather than serving the interests of a distant bank. In this future, privacy is the default setting, and borders no longer limit your ability to pursue opportunity. Technology empowers individuals and communities, giving them the tools to thrive without relying on legacy systems. NewEarthX and the Ghost Wallet make this vision possible today, right at your fingertips. It is time to take control of your financial destiny and secure your future with modern technology. Join the growing sovereign movement and experience the difference that true financial independence can make. Visit NewEarthX.com to learn more about the platform and secure your own Ghost Wallet device. The banks had their century, but the tides are shifting toward a more decentralized and open world. The future belongs to those who value their privacy, their autonomy, and their right to financial freedom. This is more than just a technological advancement. It is a return to the principles of honest money. By choosing to reclaim your sovereignty, you are participating in a global shift toward individual empowerment. We invite you to explore these tools and see how they can transform your relationship with wealth. Thank you for watching and for joining us on this journey toward a more sovereign financial future. The path to freedom is open. Take the first step today and secure what is rightfully yours.